to the APC by Schneider Electric Rack Systems product launch announcement. Joining me here today is Brian Mitchell. We are here today to introduce you to a new product. To remind everybody, we're using a new app called Meerkat that's linked into our Twitter feed. So if you haven't done so already, all the followers here that are in person, make sure you get out there and follow us at APC NetShelter for all the latest product information, product launch announcements, activities from events and demo centers, and all that latest information that you need on your APC rack systems. So really proud today to be able to use this. Again, this is just another example of technology bringing us all together. We've got people joining from all over the world, streaming live on the web, so we've got our iPad over here. And we're going to take this video here, make it available following the launch announcement, put it on apc.com, put it onto Schneider Electric TV and the Schneider Electric YouTube channel. So getting a lot of play out of this. So that's the way we like it in the rack systems world. So taking a look today, Brian is going to do a little introduction on the new product that we're launching. Just a couple preface words before we get into it. This is in the NetShelter SX platform. The product sitting behind me has over 10 years in the industry as a flagship brand from APC. Has changed and evolved as the market has changed, introducing different heights, widths, and depths to meet new trends in the market, deeper servers, more power-hungry servers, to even different types of cabinets, different applications for colo, networking, all across the board has been that go-to cabinet platform to meet all your IT needs out in the market. Brian's going to talk a little bit about something new that we're doing today and some of the benefits of it. So, right. Brian Mitchell, everybody, let's give him a hand.
So we're happy to announce the recent launch of our white racks into the NetShelter SX family. We've had white available as a custom option for several years now, and as we have seen demand grow in the last couple of years here, we're responding by putting that stuff into stock as standard SKUs. So you can tell here from this rack that it looks very similar to the black NetShelter SX that you used to. It's fundamentally the same rack available in a different color. So customers tell us that they want white because it looks nicer, it looks cleaner, it makes a more welcoming atmosphere when you're working in the data center. They also tell us that it lights up the back of the rack when you're working inside. Looking at equipment, you can see more light, it reflects more, it has better contrast against the servers and other things that are back there. They also tell us that there is a better emissivity factor here that helps keep reflected heat inside the rack rather than radiating it out to the rest of the room. So we're happy to support customers that want white. We're going to do a little bit of testing and validation of some of these claims and address that stuff in a white paper. Look for that later this year. And at this part, I'd like to bring up some of the people that worked on the project. If you're out here in the crowd and you helped bring this white rack project.
Absolutely, come on up. David Wilson, come on up. We got John Latham in the crowd here. No? Oh, we got there's several of you people you know who we are. Steve Blake, come on up if you want to. Greg Ivy, come on up. Buddy, who else? Who else do we got? Anybody else out there?
All right.
No.
So these are some of the engineers and the quality folks that have helped bring the white rack project to fruition here. It's taken a little bit of time. It's done a lot of work, and we want to recognize you guys for your contribution here. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your willingness to participate in the first live stream. Oh, there he is. All right. Stand back a little bit. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, gosh.
You point out a little bit of irony here. The project manager who's responsible for keeping things on track showed up late to the All right. Very good. If there are any questions here about the white racks, I'd love to answer them at this time.
I'll check the live feed to see if there's any questions coming in from those streaming.
All right. So while James is checking this here, I just want to point out that
Nothing right now.
there's available as standard SKUs white racks and the vertical exhaust ducts. You can see on this poster behind the vertical exhaust duct. They are on the website now. They are in stock and ready to ship out. So thanks. Appreciate your support, guys. Very good.
Absolutely. Thank you, Brian, for bringing us this new product introduction. Thank you all for attending today, being in the local audience. We got a few followers on Meerkat, so thank you very much for joining. You can expect more of these product announcements, demos from trade shows, events, things happening from the APC NetShelter group. So stay tuned to more live streaming from myself and some of the other colleagues on the Rack Systems product management team. And with that, we'll go ahead and close the stream for the day. So we appreciate you for joining. All right, everybody. Thank you. All right. Well, thank you, everybody, for joining. All right. Thank you.